Good day and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I would be showing you how to edit learners' account information after they have registered. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to log into your school admin dashboard. To do that, you open your web browser and go to www.learnova.ng. Now, you click on the dashboard menu. Then you enter your school username and school password that was provided to you by LearnNova. Okay. Once logged in, navigate to the learners menu. This will bring up a list of all the learners registered under your school along with their information, as I said before. Now let's edit learners information. Locate the learner whose information you want to edit. For this tutorial, I'll be using the first and only learner that was registered under this school, and which is the only learner on this list. So you scroll to the rightmost side of that learner's row. You scroll to the rightmost side, and under the actions column, you will see a brown pencil icon. So click on it. The brown pencil icon is the edit button. So once you click on it, a pop-up window labeled edit learner, a pop-up window labeled edit learner will appear, showing the learner's current details. Here you can update the information such as name. So it's Mark Henry before. Let me change that to Mark John. Then you can also decide to change the username. Change the learner's username and even the age of the learner. You can change the age of the learner if you wish to, and the class if you wish to change the class. You can also change the class of the learner, classes ranging from KG1 to SS3 to pick from. Now once you have made the necessary changes, you click on the red submit button at the bottom of the pop-up, which is where my cursor is currently hovering on. So you click on it. Once you do that, notification is meant to appear at the top of the screen that shows that the learner's information has been successfully updated. And that's it. Any changes you make here instantly reflected in the learner's account on your mobile device. So note that whatever you change on the learner's account information from your dashboard, those changes will instantly reflected learner's accounts on the mobile app. So that's how you edit a learner's account information on LearnNova. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at LearnNova. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.